let's go watch our Halloween themed vids, shall we? Are we ready for some of the Halloween sus I found?
Halloween section is this year. They got the anal bead spider.
Sus, yeah, I don't know what they were thinking on that one. Very child friendly. Da 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 da. I'm waiting.
Sloppy top.
Smash or pass, guys. Smash or pass. I mean,
Who
okay,
you
okay.
calling a clown?
Wrong
You
series.
don't know who you're messing with.
What? Yeah, wrong series. I mean, sus or not.
Shut the fuck up, bitch, before I eat your ass. Unless that's what you want.
Sir, what? Is it one of the ones you record it? Or is it literally it comes like that? Oh my god. That's pretty normal to you? Okay. I'm gonna have to say pretty sus. Okay, let's do this. I found this one and I thought it was just kind of funny and weird.
I know it's crazy. Tommy, it's me, your uncle. I'm not on the bus.
There we
I
go.
am the bus.
This is cursed
I know
but
it's
funny.
crazy, but I was down with some dark magic and I spilled to the school bus. So now I'm trapped in this bus and you're
AI has gone too far. Uncle Bus. Oh my god. He's coming, guys. Be afraid.
Oh damn, looks like he used all his 9 lives.
Oh my god, boobs! Someone had saved the children!
His wife still misses me, but her aim is getting better.
Finally, someone who will laugh at my jokes. Yay!